Yes, sir.
Right. As I promised you earlier, that you will be having a very active day. So are you ready for an active day?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right when we come to the next task known as a progressive group task. Till now you have been sitting and doing the task. This is the first time you are on ground and doing some activity. Task is known as a progressive group task. There are 4 obstacles and it has to be negotiated in 45 minutes. When I take you on to the obstacles and brief you, you will find that first obstacle is a simple one, second is not so simple. So as we progress, the simplicity vanishes. So there is a progressibility in the task. So it is known as progressive. We are group of 9, so it is a group, and there are no tests in the GTOs, there are always the task. So it is a progressive group task. Cannot provide you with natural obstacles like khadda, nala or hillocks. So created an artificial obstacle for you by drawing 2 parallel lines and putting the ground between these 2 parallel lines as out of bound. You know what is out of bound?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you cannot touch or walk on the area which is between 2 parallel lines. For your ease, we have created few structures in between. You can use the structures and move from start to finish line. For further help, you will be provided with helping materials, a plank, bully, rope, and an additional responsibility in form of a load. Load cannot be used as a helping material. As everything has a rules, there are few rules. Rule number 1 is a group rule. That means as a group, your material and the load has to cross over to the finish line. Only then any member of the team can attempt the subsequent obstacle. Rule number 2 is rule of distance, that is any distance which is more than 4 feet cannot be jumped. It has to be reduced using the helping material and walk over to the other side. So how will you find 4 feet? Friend, if you can walk like this to the other end, it is 4 feet or less. But if you have to put an effort and jump, it is more than 4 feet. And if you have do any infringement, what is infringement?
Breaking of rule.
Breaking of rules. If you break any rule, you need not start again. You have to go a step back and start from there. Rule number 3 is a Karur rule. Apart from the ground in between 2 parallel lines, wherever you find red color, it is out of bound for you, your material and your load. Wherever you find yellow or blue, that is inbound for you. That is, as a human being, you can stand and work, but your helping material and load cannot touch that area. Lastly, white. White is a simple. You can do whatever you want. So, for doing the task, which color you should be looking for?
White color.
White. And next is rule of rigidity. That means 2 rigid objects, that is plank and bully, cannot be tied up in an extended manner. And lastly, imagine these 2 parallel lines extend right and left up to infinity. You cannot go from this side, come out from the other side and say we have crossed over. Any clarifications?
No, sir.
Okay, I will brief you each and every obstacle. If you have any query, you can ask me. Please turn around. Right, friend, this is the first obstacle where you are standing. This is your helping material, plank, bully, 2 ropes, and this is the load which you have to carry. This is the first obstacle, obstacle number 1. This is your start line, that is your finish line. There are 4 structures in it, a pole, and there is an X. If you see this X, there go 2 weldings out here. On these weldings, outer side is marked with red. Platform is in center, it is white, and around it is blue in color. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then there are 2 goal posts, a small one and a bigger one. Bigger small post has a welding of a rod at the base. There are 2 platforms which are blue, and these 2 obstacles are between these 2 blue platforms. Again, 2 platforms. In between there is an inverted U and an inverted L. Again, there is a blue platform. There are 2 inverted L figures welding on the sides, and half of them is below, half is red in color. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we will move to obstacle number 2. But nobody will come through the task. Either come from left or the right of the obstacle. Right? Move. Friend, due to constraint of the space, stand this side, please. Due to the constraint of the space, we have got Finish line of the first obstacle is the start line of the second obstacle. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. So this is a start line, that is a finish line. Again, there are 4 structures in it. This structure, 2 T facing each other. There is an attachment which can be rotated 360 degrees, and they are between 2 blue platforms. Again, 2 blue platforms and mini parallel bar in between of white color. Again, these 2 platforms are blue. Between them there is a figure of H and X facing each other, and there is a walker between 2 blue platforms which is welded at the center. Any clarification? Okay. Move to the obstacle number 3. Come fast, friend. Stand between these 2 lines. Stand between these 2 lines. Okay. So, friend, this is obstacle number 3. This is a start line, that is a finish line. Again, there are 4 structures in it. Structure number 1. This is a goal post which has got welding in the base in a C form. There are 2 nails which can either be rotated 360 degree or can be shifted to and fro. Have you seen it?
Yes, sir.
There is a Y kind of structure on a pole. It can be rotated 360 degrees, and there is a blue platform. Here also there are 2 blue platforms. A blue platform, on the platform there is a figure of H and A. F facing away from you, and there are the 2 blue platforms. Okay, move to the obstacle number 4. Come and stand here. Right, friend. Obstacle number 4. This is the start. The finish line of the 3rd is the start line of the obstacle number 4. Obstacle 4, start line, that is your finish line. There are the 3 structures, 2 M structures on blue platform facing each other. 4 posts connected with each other. In the center, 2 tabletops with 3 legs, and between them is a blue platform. That is your finish line. Any clarification? Okay. So we just revise few rules. Can you walk where I am walking?
No, sir.
Why?
Because out of
bond. Can I stand here and work?
Yes, sir.
Can I put my rope here?
No, sir.
No. Can I put my plank on this?
Yes, sir.
On white color?
Yes, sir.
Right. Can I jump from here to there?
No, sir.
Why?
Because it is 4 feet.
Right. So we have, you all know the rules?
Yes, sir.
So ready to start?
Yes, sir.
Okay, friend. When I clap, okay, turn around. When I clap, you will run and go and touch that water cooler. Have you seen the water cooler?
Yes, sir.
And then you will come to the start line of the first obstacle and you can start your task.
I think you need an idea to make from there.
Then we call the next member.
2% can go there also by the man.
Gentlemen, the center part is
Test number 42.
Test number 42.
Test number 42.
Test number 42.
By using human
the
efforts,
center,
we will
the
reach
center
2
part
members
is
there.
white. The center part is white. Place a coil of rope there, and we will put a bully inside these.
Give a rope. Gentlemen, we will use the rope here.
Make a coil and place it on the white portion. Make a coil. Make a coil. Give me, pass me the plank. Pass me the. I will hold it.
Make the coil.
You can we can use that pole where the
Now pass the bully. Pass the bully to him. Pass the bully.
Put the plank.
Pass the bully.
Pass the bully, yeah. Put it
Below that nail.
It is white part.
Yes.
Not that, we will put the bully here.
Very good, gentlemen. We can do that.
Yes. Can you please help me with
We-
help me with the 43 pass the plank.
I will help you from below. We have to put it from below.
Place it.
Below the bully.
Wait. That is blue. We can't keep our material there. No, gentlemen, about the rope. The rope.
Gentlemen, we have two ropes. We should use two.
Place the plank from that side. Move ahead.
We can use the rope.
Test number 42.
Chest number 42. Chest number 42.
Number 42.
Chest number 42 instead of
From that side.
Chest number 42.
chest number 42.
Use the plank from that side.
That will be easier.
Okay, let's try.
And one person can go there.
We will move. We will plan another solution.
Yeah. Now it's working.
We can also use that X1.
Yeah, that is workable. Sir.
Now
Move one person. 41. Go.
please pass. Please pass. One more.
Go. Pass me.
Pass the fatta. Pass the fatta. हाँ. हाँ. Keep it there. Balli.
One person can come.
41. Go.
You can use this way and come. Yeah. No, don't keep your leg ahead.
Sorry.
Okay. From where we will...
Two members can go on that structure. We can save time from going there.
Yes, that is also one of the effective solutions. Okay. Please move. Please move. Keep it down. Keep under the belly. Yeah. Keep under the belly. Yeah, that is workable. Okay. That is workable.
41. Make a bridge for us. 41.
Make sure you don't. We are having friends. Make sure you don't.
Okay.
We are
Please.
having rope. You can tie it there. I think we can also use from this side to go on that time. Because there is a side.
Put the plank over here.
And use the plank. We can directly go on that side. Less than 4 feet.
Come.
Yeah, that's why I'm said to use
Section 41. Give your hand, please. I make some space for me.
Come.
Don't keep your leg ahead.
Dude, keep your leg ahead. Yeah. Nice. Keep it up.
Number 42.
Okay. Now
We
take
have
out.
to make some space for other person so that we can.
So that's why take out the plank first, gentlemen.
Section
Please.
47.
Take out the plank.
Like so easy to put like this.
Keep the lift on the
Now put the plank beneath this.
Try this solution also. I think pass the plank. Same time if hold the plank. Use this way. This way that then we will pass the plank the time. We will save the time. We can pass the plank. We'll make stand.
First take the bully. Pass the first take the
Okay.
Pass the bully and pass the plank. Chest number 47 come
But
here.
gentlemen, let me come that way first.
Wait.
No, allow the one person.
We can 2% easily can come there. First he should say. Gentlemen, chest number 47. You guys stand. Gentlemen, what I think that first call chest number 41. Make a way for 41. Make a way for 41. Then only he.
Pass the plank.
Because he will. Yeah. Chest number 47, 43 is right. I think first call. Chest number 41 there.
Your body is not touching anyone.
At first use the women's paper.
Place it.
Yeah. Because this one is the effective solution. Yeah.
Okay.
No, put this plank there and use the help of human. Yeah. And we'll make a way.
I think 2 person can stand here.
You stand there. Your
Chest number 47 and 39 you can also support by standing here. Okay.
Yeah, we can go there. One person at a time.
One more can come. Now let's hold this. I will tie the ball.
No, not there. Yeah, on that side. You can also come here. You can pass the.
You can keep the bully here.
Acha.
One person can come. Gentlemen, for the
Pass the plank. One of you can move forward so that there is some space. So you have to move forward.
Listen our effort. Call one more person.
Make a loop under that.
Gentlemen, let us make a way for one person.
So there must be one way.
We have another
We have to make a way.
We have another
Chest number 42 we have to make a way.
We move from that solution to this solution. Then we'll
From we can come like this. Yes.
It is workable.
But first of all you have to clear out the space from there.
You are wasting a lot of time on the simple option. Very sorry. Just do it. Gentlemen,
Help him out.
for the very reason we come from that part to this part to save our time. So we can call 3 members there so that in a one.
We need plank for that.
First of all,
Move ahead, gentlemen.
reach at that point. Then we can get one person from there.
Hold the plank. You can also go. You can also pass.
Chest number 2.
You can also pass.
Let him pass.
Chest number 42. Let him pass. Chest number 42. Let him pass.
At first clear that space so that one more person can come there. Okay, I got it. Place the plank.
From next time we will call 3 person here.
Yeah, then
Yes.
if we have that space, then we can come the 3 person there.
Give us the plank. We have another rope. No, we see
One of you can come.
Okay. 41. And chest number.
I think I will. I also help. I will go.
catch the plank. Chest number 41.
With the help of human effort also we can bring him.
No. It's
No, I think. Gentlemen, wait. Let's give with the help of human effort we'll call that person.
Just a second.
Yes.
Okay.
Pass the load
Gentlemen,
also.
this time, please ensure. Chest number 38. Chest number 38. Please ensure 3% to come here so that we will save our time.
Yeah, that's
3% to come here. Yes, that's good.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Chest number 36.
Now you call.
Come here.
Pass
Get
the
that
plank. Pass the plank. We can come easily from here. This structure.
Chest number 46. Come.
2%
Yes.
please come here.
Quick, quick.
One more person, please.
One.
Let's make human effort from there so that they can easily come and we can reduce.
Pass the
Pass the plank. Pass the plank.
Pass the plank.
Oh, okay. Come. One more person can come.
Okay.
Big kick.
Yeah, we are going good.
47,
Gentlemen,
come.
that's good.
Pass the plank. Pass the plank.
Come.
37. Come. No. Chest number 42.
Yes.
Give him to him so that he will make a pass.
Now two of you can come. Two of you can come. No. We have to make.
Gentlemen, please pass. We can use this rope.
We can use two ropes. We can use two ropes
Pass the
instead.
pass the load.
Yeah, pass the load. Pass
Pass
the
the
load.
load. 42.
It is more than 4 feet. We can pass that. Gentlemen, 42 is more than 4 feet. That is the balli.
Let the belly downside.
We are moving ahead.
Oh, you are moving your head. Okay.
Put it
So
under
we'll
this.
vacate some space now.
Chest number 42, you move ahead.
Okay. Wait. Okay, let's try
Okay.
once more.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, you can go.
That
Chest
is-
number 42. Go.
Yes.
We can. See, instead we can use rope here, no? Instead of this bully rope, we will use the rope, so it will be a little decline.
It will be at.
Okay, you remove the belly. Remove the belly.
I'm
Or we
losing
can
it.
wait a second. Wait a second.
Once we will
Wait a
lose-
second.
Yeah, that is
Now
also workable.
the inclination is good.
Incline. No, it is.
Give
It
me
is
a hand.
workable.
It is workable. You can go. 42.
Yeah, move ahead.
Hold the plank.
Easy. Place your leg.
Can
I
one-
also go.
Yeah, okay.
Just give me your hand. Or you can call two persons. Two persons by human effort.
Call 2 more persons. 47. 47, I think you should stand backside for the effort. Because your weight is
39.
one more person.
Meanwhile, we should also tie rope here so that we can.
Okay, one more person. Make it little loose.
Not loose, otherwise it will go up. You have to make it tight.
Okay, do one thing, pass the
Make the
pen.
same. Chest number 39.
Wait, let us
But let us one person can move ahead
ahead, so you
and then you can come. Pass the plank.
We can use that method also for bringing the person. Yes, we can bring. That is the effective way. Yes. Instead of tying
Chest number 42.
use the rope.
Chest number 42, you can
We'll
move
use
ahead.
the bully. We'll use the bully here.
Yes.
And this there. So
Yes.
Gentlemen,
Pass.
there we can also tie the rope.
Now one person can come. We can use the bully over here so that we can call the other person.
Move ahead. Above all, keep that so that inclination will be there.
Okay, you can go now.
Hold it. Hold this bully.
Chest number 36.
Place your leg over here. Place your leg over here. Give me your hand
Chest number 36. Go.
here and then come.
37.
Okay.
Go.
Wait. Pass the plank first. Pass the plank.
Gentlemen, I think we should instead of
Gentlemen, let us not waste time. This idea is workable. Let us not waste time. Okay. Let's go.
you move.
Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Come.
Chest number 43. Go. Pass the plank. Pass the plank. Pass the plank. Pass the plank. Break the human.
I think people can stand here. It is less than 4 feet, so we can move more people.
Because we have to hold the ball.
Chest number 38. Chest number 38. Please make it quick. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Give me your hand.
One more leg.
Put your leg here, and you can. No. Just keep it. Move. Just move that. Move to that place. Come. Chest number 1. 37.
No.
Just give me your hand. Place your one leg over
Chest
here.
number 37. I think.
One leg over here. Easy. Do not jump.
That is another structure. Why we are using that?
Now call 2%.
Because that is not this part of this structure.
Okay, pass the plank. Pass the plank. Pass the plank. Pass the plank. Pass the plank.
Don't break the rules. So
Oh,
41
sorry.
go.
Yeah,
41 go.
Okay. Give me.
And 47.
now we can call with the
Also
human
call.
effort. Now we can call with the human effort.
No, it's workable.
It's workable, but okay.
It is also not taking much time, so we can use that also.
See. Just number 38. Till the time you untie the rope and give it to us.
Nahi, why?
No, we will make the human effort and call, na? We will make
Why? We are putting again and again. It will take a lot of time. Keep it there. Keep it there.
But then also, we are putting plank here. Then we are giving. Instead of that, we put the balli here, and the plank will
So
be.
balli can also be placed without removing that.
Okay, let us come with this method only. We are not wasting the time.
They have to call the last person. Put the balli inside, below. Put the balli below. Okay, one person. He can also come. He can also come. Be careful. Keep your leg, one leg. Okay, yeah, nice, gentlemen.
Place this balli below. Place the balli below.
Below the two rods.
Yes, it is.
That is a workable solution.
Pass the load.
Yeah. And hold the fatta. One person hold the fatta. Pass the load. Pass the load. Chest number 36. Chest number 36. Please. Pass the load.
Please keep your load around your neck. Please keep the. Pass that.
Pass the load, gentlemen.
Okay, give it to us.
Yeah.
Finally, the load had.
No.
No, we can put it outside. We can put it outside. Or we can touch it. Put it outside.
Let's vacate this place here.
One person.
Any one person can come.
Be careful. Give him your hand.
No, please move ahead.
Gentlemen, let's first vacant a place. Chest number 46. Vacant. Nah, we should vacate.
Chest number 47. Stand little. Chest number 40. Hold that balli because we keep your place.
Chest number 46. Chest number 46. Chest number 46. Come to this. Okay.
Come here. Pass the plank.
Chest number 46. You can go down. Go back.
Pass the plank.
Yes, that is the structure of ours.
That is our structure. We can go.
Use human number.
We can put it something like that.
That is also workable. Come.
You can go, no. Chest number 46.
One more.
Okay. Pass the plank.
Untie that rope. Chest number 38. Untie that rope so that we will save our time.
One person only can come by this idea.
Yes. Don't keep give it to me. Give it to me.
Don't keep your leg behind this belly. Okay.
Hold the belly from that side.
Easy. Put your leg on this. Yeah. Very good, gentlemen. Pass every material.
And with the help
Put a balli over here.
with the help of balli, we can make a down from the down. And take
First
the
of all, put a balli. Put a balli between these cross.
Give the ball first.
At first give the balli and then untie the rope.
We have another rope. Give him another rope.
No. There is no need of rope. There is no need of rope here. There is no need of rope here.
Okay, you got the idea?
Yes, sir.
Okay, move to the obstacle number 3 along with your helping material and the load.
Please help in untying.
So we can make the human effort first of all.
Chest number 47.
Okay.
Use your leg.
Now you can stand over here. One person can stand. Two person can come. One person can also come.
Go there.
Now give me the rope. We can make a loop over here.
Yes.
Between these rods.
First, make a path for the space so that clear the space and go there.
Yeah, that's what we are doing. We will make this will be our support and we will make a loop over here.
Use the rope and tie this using the screw.
Try this.
I didn't even use the loop so that only time one time. Yeah, not two times.
Having the loop also above, it is
The only
solution.
time for the one time. Not like
But this is also we can move it. Multiple solutions.
That is also a effective solution.
it is loose.
Yeah, it is okay.
It is workable.
Pass.
Be fast. Chest number 30.
Okay, sir.
That is workable.
41 move.
41, 43.
43 move to the
As many people as possible. They will move. Give a plank.
42 move.
You also move.
Behind it.
It is touching. Make it more tight. Just touching.
Bring it behind it.
Just make a loop. One more loop. One more loop like this.
Chest number 42. Just keep the plank.
Can you please give?
Chest number 42.
I think one can move there also, na? Till the time.
Or open it. Once again tie once again. Just open it and tie once again.
One can move. No.
We can
From
put
here
it and
he
we
can
can call.
make the effort and call. the
You can.
person.
Gentlemen, just take it out. We don't need that. Chest number 42.
Gentlemen, take it out. This is one of the solution.
Person can come.
But for the last person,
No, so by the human effort, they will come directly here.
For that, we have to make a loop over here. Yeah. Make a
Pass the
loop.
plank.
Meanwhile, pass. First,
when we will be coming back.
Wait. Put
don't
it.
keep it above. Keep it above.
Sorry.
Keep it above.
Pass the plank. Pass the plank.
Keep. They give them.
47.
Make a loop till that time so that we can call the last
Yes.
person.
Till the time, please make the loop from the above.
Yes. 39. You go.
Yeah, very
One
good.
more
Very
person
good.
can come.
Make it straight. Make the plank
Give
straight.
that plank to us.
Give the plank to us. Pass the plank. Good gentlemen. Now you two of you can come.
Yes. Two, not more than two can come.
Right? There are only
Only
2%.
two,
That's
okay,
why.
okay.
Now pass the plank.
Pass the plank.
Give it to us. Gentlemen, please.
Pass the plank.
42. First of all, pass the plank so that people can come.
To pass the plank.
For the last person, you can also use this. This is so easy. Make a loop and that way. This is so easy.
That is also a workable solution.
Gentlemen, we have limited time and we have to follow one path.
That's why I'm only calling to you.
There are many solutions, but let's follow this solution. Okay, you also come here. One more can come. Now we add that we should move. There.
Gentlemen, 2% can hold there. Yeah.
47.
Yes. Very good. Now pass the plank. Pass the plank first.
I think first we should make the solution for there. Give it to us. First make the solution for there.
We will put it here.
There is a lot of space.
There is a lot of space. One person will let them go.
One person can come.
Better space.
One more can come.
Gentlemen, keep that
Now,
plank below that.
first of all, bring those two people here.
No. We should have solution. Are you make a loop? Gentlemen, 41. I think that first we should make this space for there. Yeah, that is a solution.
We can.
41 go.
All can move.
41 go. All can 36 go.
All can move.
Yes, chest number 37. Come.
Take the plank.
Now pass the plank to him.
Don't use the human effort for one person. Pass the load. 26.
And give the load here. Let me hold it.
Be quick.
Lose the rope a little bit.
You can come.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Nice, gentlemen. Very good. Meanwhile, untie the rope. Yeah, quickly.
Set number 32. You can come. Set number 36. Set number 47.
Just make some space.
Okay. Now.
Now use the man.
Use the human effort. Now.
Yeah, come.
Human effort is easy.
This, that's stable. You can come. You can come. yaar.
You can also leave
Just a minute.
Go. Okay, be careful. Don't put the plank belly on the ground.
Yaar, we are out of this. That's why we put. We have to move like that. Na?
One more can come.
Two, I think two can come. One more can go there. Yes. Now we can use the same idea over here.
First
Yeah.
clear the space, then only we can. Yes, that is our solution.
Okay. Now
No,
three
it's
can go. Three people
Three
can
person
go.
can go
हाँ.
above. Okay, gentlemen, you also move. 43.
First of all, we need to clear the space out there.
Yes.
39 go.
Chest number 46. Please hold. Can you please hold this? Thank you.
I'm making a loop here instead. Loop around
We
this.
can stick it around this. And
We'll keep the plank here and let us make a loop around it. Understood? Let me move.
Yeah, understood.
Wait, let them just clear the summer.
Till the time we can make a loop. Yeah. Pass the plank. Pass the plank.
Wait. Catch.
Gentlemen,
Pass the plank.
Tie the plank over on.
okay.
I think make it tight. Make it tight a little bit because it's going on.
Okay, I'll make it tight.
Tight. Fully. हाँ.
थोड़ा सा I'll make it loose so that it will decrease the inclination, okay?
Yeah.
Move it.
Now you can go now. 42 go.
2% can come. And now we will use
Give me your hand. Give me your hand.
Pass the ball to foot two.
Pass the palli, yeah.
I give the flank.
क्या कर रहा है भाई?
tie the rope. We will no. Gentlemen, we will use the human effort now. Why to waste the time? We will use the human effort.
यार ये गिर गया इसका.
Take the plank.
No problem.
Yeah. Give the plank to me. Why not? We can plank first. We can give the plank. First, give the plank to them so that all of them can retrieve. 2% can move.
Now 4% can come. Do not lose the rope, gentlemen. Okay.
No problem.
No problem. You can tie it again. Okay.
Gentlemen, we can use the human effort, na?
Arey, friend, please.
Yeah.
Let us move with the way.
He's right. He's right.
Okay,
We can
untie the rope.
हाँ, untie the rope. We can use the human effort.
Human effort, that's
Yeah.
okay.
But you have to stand. First of all, you have to stand on there.
Chestnut 43, vacant the place, you can move upside of the structure.
Let's keep it here.
Okay.
Now,
So now use that, use the human effort from there.
okay.
Hold it strongly. You go. Give the plank. Pass the plank. Now at least one.
Nice, gentlemen.
See, two of them can come, make a way for
You
one.
can, yeah, two.
Chest number 36, pass the load so that load can come.
He can come with the load. Yeah, pass the load. Chest number 38. Pass the load. Yeah, good. Okay, nice.
Now you go. 38 go. See, everyone can come. I think everyone can come from this. We'll. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Leave your helping materials on the start line. Have 2 minutes of break.
Start line.
And meet
Start
me
line,
here.
sir. Start line. Helping me.
Right. Okay, friends, we come to the next task. Some of you must be thinking that a group has been a very big group and you didn't get chance to show your ideas well. So, we come to the next task, known as half group task. A group will be subdivided into 2 subgroups of equal number. And the same task will be given to you with time 15 minutes. The task will be given in such a manner that once one subgroup is doing the task, other is unable to show it. Okay, I will divide the group into 2 parts. I will go in odd and even, right? 36 step forward, 37 step back, 38 come forward, 39 step back, 41 step forward, 42. Okay, 42 come forward, 41 step back, 41 step back, 46 come forward, 43, and okay. So 37 to 47, please go there, take your chairs and sit facing the wall. 36 to 46, please pick up the plank, bully, rope and the load and meet me at the start point, that semicircle start point, meet me there. Yes friend, helping material, plank, bully, rope and tire in form of a load. This is obstacle, start line, that is your finish line. And these are the 3 structures in between. A, and there is a platform in front of the A, blue towards you, white towards me. A V structure with a platform in front of the V, blue, and white. Have you seen it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this platform is blue and this is a S type of a structure and the center of it can be rotated 360 degrees. Finish line. Any clarification?
No, sir.
Start.
Take this because it is the flexible one. Is it there? We can less than 4 feet. No, it is not less than 4 feet. No, it is less than 4 feet. It is less. It is less than. We put a bunny over there. No, then we can move. It is considered less than 4 feet. I think, gentlemen, we can't consider less than 4 feet. With the help of it is the help of coil. No, we don't need to. We don't need to put a plank over here. We can use coil rope. We can use this coil rope.
We can use a plank.
41. We can use coil rope. Okay, so if we will use it less than 4 feet, then easily we can come here. Try with this bully. I think. Okay. No, gentlemen, first we should move there. That is also one of the solution we have. No. Just pass with the bully. And easily we can move there. Easily we can move. Yeah, that is effective solution.
Don't put your leg over there. Okay. Repeat it.
Come back. 41, 43, come back.
Take the bully also.
Please do not put your legs between the point of the height.
Okay.
It is blue.
Yeah, that is. Now we can.
We can also use pass. Yeah.
I think pass me the ball. Give it from the head.
We will.
Gentlemen.
We can go. Yes, that was
Okay.
That is also.
Okay. Use the.
That is also effective. Give it from the head. I'm putting it from the head.
Yes. Now go. Pass in. 43. Go with weight. 1% can only.
He will carry that load.
Okay. Yes.
Wait. We have to first of all.
Wait.
Just pass your load to chest number 37.
Pass your load to chest number. We will make a path there. Then only. Give it to us. Give the bully also.
You can come chest number 39. Okay, wait.
Gentlemen,
wait
give the
there.
bully also. Give the bully also.
Please pass the bully.
Gentlemen,
So we
I think we can use the bully down of this. And with the there will be a support.
yeah,
This
we
will
can
help us effort and that will.
Yeah, we can move ahead like this.
Is it stable?
Yes.
Yeah, I
Yes,
think
it's
it is
stable,
enough.
it's stable.
Look, don't keep there. Keep it there.
Okay, I will go.
That it will be solution. Okay.
Now you can use the same idea from that side. Gentlemen, you can use the chest number. You can use the same idea. Just rotate it that side. Put the bully that side.
Okay, that is also effective solution. Yes, this is also workable.
Keep the bully with you and pass the plank.
Now I will pass the plank over here, and then you
That
can
is
call.
also effective solution.
Now,
It is stable enough.
yes.
2% can come. Take the load along. Take the load.
I think all of you can come. All of you can come. Pass the load. Pass the load. Pass the load. You chest number 39. Chest number 39. Move ahead. Move ahead.
Who will pass the plank?
Just 43. Pass the plank to 39.
Gentlemen,
Gentlemen, you can all come ahead. This is less than 4 feet. That is less than 4
from
feet.
there we have to make the path.
Chest number 39. Move ahead. Yeah. Good.
One can also.
One can also come. Bring the rope also. Chest number 43. Pass the load to me.
No, take that rope now and come.
Easy.
Yes.
Now pass the load to me. Pass the load to me.
Take, first make the path from there.
Yeah. Give it.
2% can move there, then only we will. Okay. Hold that bully.
Hold bully.
Stop. Hold that bully.
Hold bully. One person can hold the bully and plank, and then yeah.
Please rotate it from the other side.
Yes. Keep that bully down. Okay. Make the path.
Okay. Let me help you out with plank. Chest number
Put the plank
37.
downward. 39 move. Yes. 2% can move easily. 3%. 2% can move. 2% can move.
Come. Move. Come here. Come
Yes,
here.
yes.
In one step. Just in smaller steps.
One can also move.
In smaller steps. Yeah. You can come.
That's good. Now we can please hold it.
Okay. I'm holding it. Now we have to pass it from below the bully.
Below the please. Yes. That is the I can.
Now you slide it
Yes.
according to the structure.
Okay, just number 47, please. Come. Now with the help of human effort also we can come. No, that is.
Yeah. We have to come.
Heavy person. Chest
Okay. We
number
will use the human
Chest
effort.
number
Come.
47 is a heavy person.
No, he can come. You are 3%. We can easily come.
Wait.
Yes. Boss. Okay.
Please remove that rope from downward.
Not your idea. Okay, friends, leave the helping on the side. This is your start line, that is your finish line, and there are 3 structures in between. There is a figure A, figure B, and 2 platforms. This platform blue on towards you, white towards me. Then there is a blue, white, blue, and white. That platform is blue, and this is figure of H. The center of the H is rotatable 360 degrees.
Yes, sir.
Helping material, plank, bully, and a rope, and a rope to carry.
Yes, sir.
Any clarification?
No, sir.
No, sir. Start.
Sir, we'll make a loop. We'll make a coil.
We can go from here
Wait.
on by itself.
Okay, to move it.
We'll use the structure.
Yes. Arey. Okay.
Yeah, you can go.
Wait. Make a space. Make a space. So.
Just
Do.
put
Yes.
at glue.
Give this plank. Give this plank to me. Wait. Chest number. Yes. You hold it once. Okay. Let me coil the rope properly.
Coil the rope. Coil the rope. Coil the rope. We are not touching the blue. Put at the white
Yes.
part.
Okay.
Now you can go. Chest number
Okay.
42.
Oh, give me a hand.
Chest number 36.
You also can come.
You can come.
Arey,
Go now.
don't keep your leg between those two things, yeah?
Okay. Chest number 32.
Yes. We'll do one thing.
Yeah.
Wait.
Chest number 42.
Arey, let us make a way. Hold it properly.
Yeah, we have idea like for.
Then, can you please pass the plank as you have come? Yes. Hold it properly. Wait.
I can hold it.
Beneath.
Yeah, I will also doing the same thing.
Okay, thank you.
We can come now.
No. That's what God.
Arey, one person can move come here, no?
Yeah.
Okay. You make a space for one person.
Okay, let me come there.
Okay. Arey, bring the load along with you, no?
Okay, we can carry the load. I can carry the load.
Okay, chest number 38.
No,
So we have to make some space for
reverse
other
thing so that
person.
we can go.
Okay, we'll make same thing reversible. no?
Okay. Rotate the.
Okay, be easy.
In a similar manner, put the plank here.
I got your idea.
I think that I can go first with the load. Yes. So yeah, it's okay.
I
If you
think
tie
we
the rope.
Arey, move this plank more ahead. Arey, we have this much. It is left, no?
Yeah.
Okay.
For the safety, we can take it. But
Arey, we don't need to tie the rope.
okay.
36 will go.
You also move chest number 38. Can you hold this plank?
Yes.
Meanwhile.
Make the same loop again so that just number 46 also can be.
Move. Arey, keep it between these things. Place it here. Okay. Yes.
I think that one person more comes. Okay, chest number.
Can I come?
No, you just pass it again. Extend it more.
I think come there.
No, you do that wrong. Let's turn that way so that it easily can go.
Okay. Can you please hold it? Yes. I think you are using something.
I am doing that same thing. Yeah. No, it's workable.
It is.
Wait, hold. Leave it.
Leave it. Fine.
At least some give the.
Chest number
Yeah.
46. Leave it.
Yeah, leave it.
Now make the same.
Hold this bully.
Give me the rope.
Hold the bully.
So it's easy for you to handle this.
Give the plank. Give the plank. Pass the plank.
Look, make the. You both of you stand there.
Okay. You can use the human effort. Chest number 36.
Arey, extend it little more. Extend it little more. No. Okay, go.
Okay.
Both stand both.
Chest number 42.
Yes.
I got you.
Chest number 36. Be careful. Be careful.
Okay.